guys? It's your girl Zoisha. Hey, aka me. And welcome back to my YouTube channel. What's poppin'? What's up? What's new? Anyways, what I got for you guys today was highly requested. Not the topic, but just the video itself was highly requested after my last one. Obviously, y'all liked it. Thank you. Well, I'm gonna be doing another story time video for you guys today. In today's story time, I'm gonna be telling you guys about the first time that I had diarrhea. Yeah, I know. Why am I talking about shit and stuff like that? But it happened to me. It's a story. It could have happened to somebody else, so I feel like I should share it. So yeah, I'm gonna be telling you guys about the time that I got diarrhea for the very first time. It's such a sad story. But if you're interested and you want to hear about my shit, stay tuned and continue watching this video. All right. So now the setting takes place back early in the 90s. It was 96 to be exact. No, 95 to be exact. And at the time I was 5 years old, and it was the day before Christmas break. So oh my gosh, I remember my outfit and everything. So yeah, I was in this cheetah print dress. It was cheetah print at the top. No, it was black at the top, cheetah print at the bottom, and it had this silver zipper with a heart accent on the end. Oh my God, I loved it. My mama got it for me from Kmart because she worked at Kmart. And yo, like my outfits were popping. So I'm gonna put on the dress there, I'm gonna put on my black stockings, I'm gonna put on my black dress shoes, I'm gonna go to school because say grade 1. I don't know why my mama decided to send me to school full time. I don't know why she decided to do this, because she knew these humiliating things would have happened to me. Like, it's me, Zoe. Like, everything humiliating happens to me. Yeah. But anyways, I was in grade 1. I went to school because normally when you're leaving for Christmas break, you guys have like parties and stuff like that. So whatever. Went to school. Everything was fine. Up until recess time, everything was fine. Playing around, eating treats and stuff like that. Just excited because, this is my first school, like real school break that I could really actually like acknowledge. I don't really think like in kindergarten and senior kindergarten and junior kindergarten I would have really like paid attention to that. Like Christmas would have just been all about, I mean, even then still it would have still been all about presents and whatever, but like that. But you get what I mean, right? So recess time comes now. And it's time for us to go outside. Now, hence, it's winter time. So, you got to put on your winter gear. When I was this age, 6 years old, my mama had me in a full-blown snowsuit. So you had to like put it on the floor, put your feet in, put your hands through, and then, put on your hat, put on your scarf. And that time, like I was wearing a mask and whatever and stuff like that. So like, because Jamaican parents don't play, they don't want to picnic, catch sick, or irritate you and all these type of things, and I really bundle you up, you understand? So but they look like one little purple Eskimo. Oh my gosh, you guys, if I find a picture I will insert the picture here. Oh my gosh, because I should have a picture of that. I have a picture of everything. So yeah, so we went outside now, and my elementary school, Gosford Public School. Hey, if there's anybody from Gosford, comment below if you see this now or later in time, whatever it is. Comment below if you went to Gosford Public School or whatever. That was my elementary school. I love that school. So at Gosford, they had this big hill. Like, no matter what time of year it was, this hill was very, very important. So during the winter time, of course, it's filled with ice and snow. So what we used to do is roll down the hill. So we get outside now, and I'm playing with my friends, and we're all rolling down this hill, coming back up, rolling down the hill, coming back up, rolling down the hill, finding cardboard so we can make little sleds to go down the hill. You understand? All these type of things, right? So I'm playing on the hill now, whatever. I feel my belly is like... But as a kid, you don't want to stop from playing and having to stop and go use the bathroom or having to do anything. You just want to play, right? So that's what I did. I continued to play, and my belly continued to But anyways, I still continued to play. Now, Y'all have to shit before, right? Have you ever held in your shit and like it starts to burn your body? Well, that's what was happening to me. So it was mud in my body, it was mud in my belly, but still I did not want to stop from playing. All I remember is at one point I rolled down the hill and I felt the back of my leg become extremely warm. Now, by the time I got down to the bottom of the hill, it was too late for me to prevent anything from happening. It just all started running out. So I started running up the hill and I ran into the bathroom. And you guys remember, I'm in a full blown snowsuit by myself at 5 years old. So I had to take off my hat, take off my scarf, my mittens. I had to take off my boots. I had to take off my snowsuits. I had to take off my stockings. I had to take off my dress. And by that time, I was covered in shit. Like, I was covered in shit, you guys. I'll never forget that smell or that feeling. It was so embarrassing. And then because recess finished and I wasn't in class in time, my teacher came storming in looking for me. So she found me in the girls' bathroom and she was just like, Zoe, what happened? And I explained to her I was crying and she was like, okay, it's okay, don't worry. You're just a little sick. You know, everything's gonna be fine. We're gonna take you to the office and we're gonna call your mom and we're gonna have somebody pick you up and take you home, okay? And I was like, but I'm gonna miss the party. I want the pizza and everything. I want everything. And she was like, it's okay. You'll get to participate in everything. Don't worry about it, okay? So I sat down in the principal's office. They called my mom, and then my mom spoke to me them time because you know she was working a lot of jobs actually, and she wasn't actually able to leave work right there and then to come and pick me up. It would have taken her some time. So by then I was already going home and staying home by myself. So I already had my key or whatever. She just told me what it was to do. Just tell them that my sister was going to meet me outside. Mommy, big up yourself. She just told me to tell them that my sister was going to meet me outside. And yeah, so pretty much all that happened is I got all my gifts and I got my 2 slices of pizza. I'll never forget my cheese pizza. And actually what happened was my teacher ended up driving me home. I just told her that my sister was waiting for me at home and she ended up driving me home and I went home. And yeah, like she helped me clean up my shit off of my leg. Cause yo, when I tell you guys, like it was literally like running down my leg. Like it was so sad. And like, I just wish I had stopped and you know, just went and like, shit, so I could have came back and played, but I didn't know any better. That was my first time experiencing diarrhea, and ever since after that, no matter where I am, if I got a shit, I shit, because ain't no repeats happening. That, and I stopped wearing stockings. So yeah, that's the story time for today, guys. The first time I had diarrhea. I wish it could have been a long story, but that's not something I really want to relive. And I'm so happy I got to share this experience with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this story time. There will be more. Leave a comment below. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Subscribe to my channel for more story times, maybe like this. Once again, thank you guys so much for keeping up with your girl. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Until next time. Bye, guys.